What's up, everybody? Taking a break at work, and I figured I should go ahead and do a video while I got a chance. And I want to show you my buddy's van. This is my buddy Dane's van. Look at that. Look at those blinds. Those blinds, and it's just a straight, the Astro. Straight pimp. And we'll get run over by this car. Watch out. We got some lemonade. It's freaking delicious. Work at Sam's, by the way. I don't care if they know, because I'm leaving in a week or so. Make these videos. It's freaking windy out here. I really didn't think about what I wanted to talk about before I started doing this. I'm gonna go over here and sit in the smoking area out here in the grass. There's Tony. Tony Mac! Tony Mac!
You suck!
Nah, he's a fag. He's cool. He's the guy I go over to use the internet. It's Clink. YouTube.com/Clink. You can go watch him play Fear. And there goes the cops. Anyway, it's a good day, I guess. I had like 4 hours of sleep. Freaking sleepy. Have my hat hair going. People driving by, trying to figure out what I'm doing with my phone. Because, you know, down here in redneck country, what you looking at, girl? They're like, why is that guy holding his phone out like that? This is crazy. I mean, you talk to your phone like this. You don't sit there and look at it and talk into it. It's no. Technology, the devil, you're going to hell, Bible Belt. It's usually how it goes around here. Well, these benches, I sit on this one because it's kind of clean. That one over there got bird crap all over it. And I probably should have checked this, and there's a little bit of bird feces. Oh, we had a guy today propose to his girlfriend at work. We have a morning meeting where we all like sit around these tables and they tell us our numbers and how we've been doing. And I usually never go because I'm in the meat department and we just cut meat, like whatever. And so anyway, he was up there and he got down on his knee and proposed. And I was like right beside. I didn't hear her say yes or anything, but it was kind of. What? Would you do that at work? Especially at this, like a place like this. I mean, maybe if you worked at like somewhere really freaking nice, maybe. But not here. I mean, anyway, whatever. We're playing Silent Hill. The downpour. It's pretty fun. They gave it a bad rap. I don't know why. It's fun. What else is going on? I played Amnesia Custom Story, a Small Horse Prologue. It's actually pretty cool. It's one of the more cool custom stories I've seen, just because like he changed all the models of the characters and things. Had a bunch of kind of really cool stuff to it that I haven't ever seen before. There we go. And you should go watch it. It's pretty interesting. I wish that more custom stories, bug on my elbow, more custom stories did stuff like that. Like, it's pretty cool. It's got Dragon Ball Z characters in it. They're dancing in front of a bunch of Aboos. They're clapping their hands together. Abu from Aladdin. Oh, jeez. Just had a cookout here somewhere. They're cooking somewhere, and they had burgers, and I ate them for free. They're delish. They were delish. I just want to come out here and drink some lemonade and enjoy the sun, because I like it warm outside. I really enjoy warm weather, and I work in a cooler all day, so it's kind of odd. Get to come out in fall. Oh, thank God. Anyway, I guess that's all I really have to talk about. So we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.